Welcome again. This is Dr. Z, and this is the Red Lipstick Brown Table Talk. Welcome again, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, you name it, all the platforms. We are on our 27 rules to success, and these are rules that were taught to me that I am relaying this information to you, and also just kind of more affirming and reteaching myself on these concepts. And you always want to be teachable and coachable at all times. And things that you've learned in the past, you can refresh yourself because maybe it's more relevant now in the stage that you are in your journey for success. So never think that you don't have to look back at those old notes that you've made in the past. So this one's a quick one. This is rule number 14. Rule number 14. And basically it says successful people are always cautious enough to avoid pitfalls because we don't have room for failure. And so we have the ability to act on good ideas, pass on bad ideas, and most of all, flee from illegal ideas.
At Jer Skolman, follow now.